day. I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed.
Yeah. Yeah. No limit. Got that master beat. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Niggas say, no limit.
Come on, be quiet.
Who you talking to?
You, because you interrupted me.
What I said?
Something about being the one.
The motherfucking one.
Leave me alone. You're annoying. Don't come over here, Kumar. Move. Get out.
Gotta get into the gym, y'all.
This is not for you. Move.
EHPLABS. We got this Pride King of Pre-Workouts Blue Slushy. It tastes good. Give you lots of energy.
Give me.
I'm telling them about the products. Give you lots of energy. Make you have a little bit of pride in yourself.
This why we don't get to the gym on time, because you play too much.
Help you create gains in muscles. And then you got glutamine. This is good for the glutes. You know what I mean?
No, the fucking. Shut up. Get out. Move. Go. Y'all already know what time it is. It's supplement time. I call this the Fit Girl Cocktail. I got my pre-workout. I got glutamine, which is good for recovery and gut health. And then we got creatine, like he said, to create gains and to help you build muscle. And creatine is one of my favorite supplements. One of my supplements that I gotta keep in the house every single time. And I'm almost out, as you can see, because I'm a stickler for muscle growth. I love muscle growth. But if you want to support your girl, you can use the code KDiani10 and get you guys some supplements. Cheers.
I see murder that. No limit, baby. See that ghetto D girl, no limit.
Now I'm putting my jacket on because it's 30-something degrees again in Atlanta when it was just 70-something. And then we're going to head on over to the gym. Alright, y'all, so I've been home for like 2 hours now. I've been home for like 2 hours now from the gym, and that's why I look crazy, because I showered, took my lashes off, and my hair is like curling up or whatever. But besides that, we got a notification. I don't know why y'all can never like, hold on. There we go. I got a notification that my package was delivered. Can y'all guess what type of package it is? So we're gonna go and pick up this package. Hopefully it's not too heavy. And yes, I got on a jacket because it's like hella cold. So I'm in here, but a big ass but But I pray that's the package. So it says it's delivered, but I can't find the package. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? And they're supposed to put it in a locker. You're supposed to get like a code. I hate it here. That's exactly why I want to fucking move. Y'all, I'm a dummy. And if you can see it in my face, I was like this close into breaking down into fucking tears, because this isn't the first time like my packages have gotten stolen. But luckily, I even went to go check in the next apartment complex nearby to see if it accidentally got dropped over there. But that's my boyfriend, because I called him. I was about to cry to him on the phone. Hello, I was just calling you because I was gonna cry to you on the phone because I thought someone stole my package, because they didn't put it in a locker, but I found it. I feel so much better now. I'm a crybaby if y'all don't know. See, and then like look at this fucking door. This fucking door don't fucking open. Secure the package. We made it inside, period. And then like y'all, I was calling FedEx in there, and the bitch was telling me, the automated machine is the bitch, was telling me to enter the tracking number, and I'm here entering the tracking number, and it's talking about, sorry, this cannot be found. And I'm like, bitch, I'm telling you exactly what the fucking tracking number says. I'm on fucking FedEx right now. Oh, I was too fed up. Guy was with me. He was just like, have a little bit more patience, little grasshopper. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm about to show y'all everything that I got. So y'all know I had to get hip with the Oxy Shred. They said this was like a high recommended flavor, so I got the gummy snake flavor. We're gonna see what that's all about. I actually want to see, like, can you take this after working out? Well, I guess we'll try it out tomorrow. Y'all already know I'm a big Pride fan. I love pre-workout. So I had the blue slushy, I had the sour green apple, and it came right on time because I am almost out. Like, I damn near take pre-workout every day, but I'm kind of excited because I've seen people say like you can use Oxy Shred as pre-workout. So we're gonna see what that's all about. Shit, I might do a double shot. Might do the Oxy Shred and the pre-workout. And I got L-carnitine. I actually did some research on this before I actually went ahead and added it to my cart. So L-carnitine basically is like a fat burner. It was tested and proven that it works to, you know, speed up the process of burning body fat. So we're going to be adding this either to our pre-workout or the Oxy Shred, and we're going to see what this is all about. It says take 1 to 2 scoops with 10 ounces of water or Oxy Shred. So we're going to try that out and see what that's all about. I actually had asked for Oxy Greens and creatine, but the creatine is sold out and the Oxy Greens is sold out because y'all act like y'all know how to act with them Oxy Greens, and I wanted to see what the hype was all about because I've never tried them before. I've only done their creatine, their glutamine, and their Pride pre-workout. But instead, I was given this, the Aqua Collagen Protein and Hydration. Y'all know me, I'm all about my protein, so any way to get in any extra protein, and also a good way to like hydrate my body, okay? It's gluten-free and it's dairy-free, period. Okay. Ever since I started my cut, I haven't been using protein powder, but it is nice to have it there as like, you know, a supplement when I don't get in enough protein. So I got the Blessed protein in the flavor salted caramel. I've tried s'mores before and another flavor. The s'mores was pretty good. I actually liked that one. There was another one that I tried, but I wasn't really a big fan of that flavor, and I believe because it had chocolate, and I'm not a very big fan of chocolate. But the s'mores one was good though. S'mores one was good. So I'm excited about this flavor because I can make protein pancakes with this. And then they gifted me an EHPLABS shaker bottle, which I'm very, very excited for because I can put my pre-workout or my Oxy Shred in here. But if you guys would like to support your girl, make sure y'all use my code KDiani10 at checkout so y'all can get y'all a little discount on the stuff that you purchase. One thing I highly recommend, and I will never steer you wrong, get you some creatine. Creatine is what's going to help you build the muscles, girl. Like creatine, how I told y'all earlier this morning, creatine. I love creatine. They're sold out online, but I'm pretty sure my vitamin shop that's near here has creatine, the EHPLABS one, and I'm going to go pay that out of my pocket to get this because creatine is a necessity. So definitely get you some creatine, okay? And make sure you use my code, period. But I'm so excited. I can't wait to make the official announcement on Instagram. Of course, y'all always get the first heads up of everything that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know if I should like get dolled up and take some pictures before the sun goes down with all of my products. I think I might do that. Okay guys, we're in the elevator. I just did something quick to my hair. Not a really big fan. I'm gonna show you the fit out there. And then I have my phone and my supplements. So I'm gonna take my pictures with my phone, not my camera, so y'all can see the whole process. Huh? Yeah, I'm shooting content. Fitness or? Fitness. Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, man,
You on YouTube or social media or something?
Both.
Both? Mm-hmm. You have products or something?
Huh?
You have products?
Yeah, I just got sponsored by EHPLABS.
EHPLABS.
They sell supplements. Yeah.
You're popping like that so they notice you?
I guess so.
I'm just curious. Shit, I don't want to get sponsored. I'm out here doing this shit for free.
Yeah, just keep going. That's all you have to do is like keep going. I know like sometimes you're like, oh, I've been being patient, I've been being consistent. But one thing I always keep in mind, like, it's not on your timing, it's on God's timing. So, yeah. But it was nice to meet you. Anyways, I'm about to make me something to eat because I am starving. So I'm just going to show y'all. It's going to be high protein. It's going to be super duper good. And I'm going to put the recipe at the end. So my wrap is ready. It's made out of steak. So I have a low calorie wrap. It's 60 calories and it has 6 grams of protein. It's a spinach wrap. I have plain Greek yogurt on the bottom. I had 2 slices of bacon, but I ate 1, so I just crumbled it in there. And then I have green mix, tomatoes, and then I have my steak with my mushrooms and my onions. Now let's taste it. And for the sauce that I use, I guess sauce that I use for my meat was this one. I found it at Publix, if you're interested. So let's dig in. Oh god. It took me 15 to 20 minutes to do. That's it for today, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all. Peace.
I got feelings for you, ay. Hope you ain't loving the crew, ay. How many bodies you got, ay. Hope it ain't more than a few. Know that you dealt with some lanes when you was young and in school. He had to pop your cherry, but I got it wet like a pool. She got a new G-Wag, she wanna hit highlight room and show it off. Brand new body, girl, show it off, ay. That's a Brazilian, I know it's soft. Toned up and she got a six-pack, ay. Look like she used to play volleyball. American Express, you can have it all, ay. Close to the safe, you can have it all.